This is ayaan and the magical alphabet fruit for ages 3 to 8. Once upon a time in a sunny village in Somalia, there lived a curious boy named Ayaan. He loved asking questions and exploring everything around him. One morning, Ayaan found a strange glowing tree near the river. They sang with him, danced with the fruits, and flew around the magical tree.
Ho, ho, ho!
Together, they went through the whole alphabet from A to Z, learning English letters with every magical fruit. By the end of the day, Ayaan laughed and clapped. Now I know all the letters. This is the best fruit ever. On the tree were colorful fruits, red, yellow, green, and blue. One of them shimmered like gold. Wow, what kind of fruit is this?
Ho, ho, ho!
From that day on, Ayaan visited the tree every morning and helped other kids learn the ABCs too. Learning is sweet, just like fruit. A to Z is such a hoot. As soon as he touched it, the fruit opened up and sang, as for apple, B is for banana, C is for cherry too. Ayaan's eyes lit up. Each bite he took taught him a new letter. As for apple, a red apple popped out.
Ho, ho, ho!
B is for banana, a banana dropped into his hand. C is for cherry, cherries danced around him. Suddenly, two friendly cartoon birds appeared, Gugo and Lalo. The tree glowed once more, and a rainbow shined above it.
Ho, ho, ho!